We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make stovetop dried beans. Start by heating a large pot over medium heat. You'll only do this step if you plan to add aromatics like onion, bell pepper, etc. We highly recommend you do that. Heat the oil, one shimmering, then add the onion or other aromatic veggies. Saute until translucent for about 5 minutes. Then you can add the optional garlic and or spices and saute for 30 seconds, stirring frequently. You don't want the garlic or the spices, if you added them, to burn. Next, add the beans, bay leaf, salt, and optional tomatoes, chilies, chipotle peppers, and or any other hearty herbs. Add enough water or broth to cover the beans by approximately 2 inches. Bring the beans to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and partially cover. Simmer for 45 to 90 minutes or until the beans are tender. This is going to greatly vary depending on the type of bean and how old it is. While the beans cook, add more water if needed to ensure the beans remain submerged. Once cooked, add acid and any additional salt to taste. Sprinkle with optional fresh herbs and enjoy! Check out the recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.